Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to make a delicious breakfast picanha burger. While we wait for our neighbor to finish mowing his lawn, we can take a cup of tea because my friend Andre Dutch sent me Brazilian tea. Well, it's not really Brazilian tea, but it's, I don't know, some kind of green tea. How did this come through customs? In a closed bag. It smells like grass. I'm probably gonna mess this up. There's like this whole Brazilian instruction video that he gave me how to do this. So I do apologize if I'm messing this up, if I'm not doing it right. But just put some of it in here. Yeah, he sent me this special mug to go with the mug to go with it. And I think we are supposed to like tilt it a little bit. You should have it like this and then fill the rest up with water. I hope I'm doing this right. And what he did was put a little bit more on top. Oh, I had to put this thing in. It's like a weird spoon with like a filter on it. And then a little bit more on top, just to fill it off. It's for all the hype beasts out there. It's called Supreme. If this video is going to end differently than what you might expect, it's because of the tea. Thank you, Andre Dutch. Scared. Yeah, I didn't drink it yet. I didn't drink it yet. I didn't taste it. It is super bitter. It's like when you would drink like tobacco. I hear that they share this with their friends and family, so they put one of these or two of these and then they just pass it around. You want to try?
I kind of have to, right?
Yeah. Have some erva mate. It's good for you. But the real reason we have this erva mate right here is because Andre Dutch sent me something of which I am really excited. And it comes in this box. Guess what it is? Comment down below if you guess what this is. Pause the video.
It's a potato knife.
How can you talk about this like it's a potato knife? Look at this thing. This knife was on the top of my list. It is a beautiful Brazilian Pitmaster knife. Look at this thing. It's called a Javalizeira, if I'm pronouncing that right.
Javalizeira.
Javalizeira. That's it. So that's what this knife's called. I'll just call it a really cool knife. Look at this thing. And the story behind this knife is even cooler. This was the knife of somewhat a cult hero in knife making in the Rio Grande era. And the guy was called Berto Loco, which basically translates to the Dutch version of gekke Bertje, or a crazy bird. And he made these knives, but he never sold one until he passed away and his wife started selling off these knives. And I was so lucky to get one of his. Super shiny. So it's nice to have a sharp knife. So you can cut paper or cut a nice slice of meat. Look at that.
You're cutting into this mess.
Oh yeah. Hey Pitmasters, what is up? I hope that the Beto Loco knife will shine in your videos. It will definitely happen, brother. Thank you for sending me the knife. Thank you for making it happen. And thank you for my erva mate. Oh, I'm just working on it. I'll make it happen, making sure that I get it right and enjoy it for a long time. Let's holster this. Because we got this beautiful package all the way from Brazil, I thought, let's do a Brazilian style burger. I haven't had a good burger for a long time, and so hasn't Morrison, so he's getting kind of grumpy. We got a beautiful dry aged grain fed picanha. It looks absolutely fantastic. We'll cube it up and make it ready to be grinded.
What? You're going to grind up a picanha?
Yes.
This beautiful picanha?
Yes. To make you a beautiful picanha burger.
It is, literally.
What do you think they make picanha burgers of? And I'm going to use my Berto Loco knife. Now let's cube this up. Like through butter. Last chance to save the picanha.
No.
Too late. Bye bye picanha. We have an excellent fat to meat ratio. Look at that. You can see that we have a lot of nice white chunks in there. That's all flavor. And we're just gonna grind it once. We're not gonna grind it twice. So we'll keep the consistency a little rustic, a little rough. We didn't light the barbecue yet. Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, now it's my fault.
Yes, it is. You didn't tell me to light the barbecue. We'll put in a little bit of big block. Put the grill grate on. And a cast iron surface to grill your burgers on. Now let's make a burger patty out of this. We're just gonna make a little bowl. And then with our fingers spread it out until we get a nice even shape like a burger. Look at this. This is gonna be so tasty. I like to make my burger patties on baking paper and cut them up to fit the burgers. We're not gonna grill them yet. First, we're going to make sure that we have all the rest of the ingredients for our burger standing by so we can assemble it when the patties are fully cooked. Let's slice up some mushrooms. Some shallots. Put a little bit of chili and garlic oil in a hot pan. Put the shallots on, drizzle on a little bit of honey and a little bit of vinegar. When they're nice and hot and caramelized, take them off the grill. Next, we are going to sear our mushrooms. We'll put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Put the mushrooms in, a little bit of fresh ground pepper, some sea salt. We'll grill our mushrooms until they're golden brown. Now we're going to make a basic sweet barbecue sauce to go on top of our burger. Put a pan on the grill. And of course, our first main ingredient, ketchup. We'll put in a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, balsamic vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of honey. 4 tablespoons of a random good barbecue rub. In this case, I'm using Chef's Paul Prud'homme Magique. Let's mix that up. We'll wait until it starts to bubble and then it's done. Quick taste test. Let's see if this is any good. Ow. Ooh, that's good. We'll cut open our beautiful burger buns, put on a little bit of lettuce, and now for one of my secret ingredients, a methadone sauce.
What?
Methadone.
There's methadone in it?
No, I hope not. But here. Of course it's good. Smear on a lot of it on the bottom, on the lettuce. So the brand is called Methadone. But basically, it's a mix between mayonnaise, mustard, and honey. Time to grill our burger patties. This is going really fast, but what I'm looking for is we're looking for that sear mark that's going up, and when it reaches the middle, I want to flip it around and season them with pepper and salt. We'll put some cheese on top, put a cap on, make sure that the cheese will melt. The cheese is molten, time to get the patties off, put them on a burger bun. And of course, we stack our burger double. We'll put our mushrooms on top, our caramelized shallots, and a little bit of our barbecue sauce. Now I'll put a cap on this giant. Look at this beautiful burger. Man, this thing looks so good. I want to bite into it. It does look a little bit big though. It worries me more, sir. I'll cut it in half. I'll make you eat half. Yeah. Quick and painful, painless. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! The burger of your dreams. I think this picanha burger was a really good idea. Look at how juicy that is. All that fat rendering out. This is going to be an anaconda style burger. Look at this thing. Arms out. That is a good burger. Real tasty. It has that real barbecue flavor. The freshness and creaminess of the mayonnaise with a little bit of lettuce, it makes up for a nice creamy burger. But that picanha flavor, it tastes like steak. This is really good. And the mushrooms, they give that umami flavor. The sweetness of the barbecue sauce, man. There's no right way to eat it. You want to give it a try, Marcel? Maybe I can film you. You can give it a better shot.
You're not going to film me again.
Here's your burger, brother. There you go. Make a big mess. You're making a. You want a plate? The funny thing is, you eat it, and then it becomes messier and messier because all you have left, you're eating like the crust and the outside.
There are only juices.
And only juices in the inside. This thing is packed with juices. That was a good burger, though.
Yeah. Horrible in a good way.
I'll get back to filming and finish this video.
Yeah. I'll go back.
Go back to work, man. This is my area. You're supposed to be over there. Morrison just said it's exceeding his expectations. This is so disappointing. Have I ever given you a less than super awesome freaking delicious burger?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You never had better burgers in your life than here.
That's true.
All right, let's finish with that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. A big thank you to our patrons and YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. See you guys next time. Until then, it's smakelijk and keep on grilling.
All aboard!